Hello, I'm Anna Pumo. This is Lab 4, Microbiology, or Microscopy for Microbiology. This is the results video, Biology 225. In this lab, we learned about the microscope and the components of the microscope. So it took me the whole day, but that's okay. So here we have my microscope. Maybe you'll see it. And I learned about my eyepiece, about the tube, the oculars, the stage, the base. So I got very familiar with all of that. I also learned about the field of vision, which is the visible area that we look at when we're looking under the microscope at the slides, and the depth of vision, which is the distance range. Also learned about calculating the total magnification. So the objective lens, or the ocular lens, which is 15 times, and then the objective lenses, which are 4 times, 10 times, and then 40 times. And multiply those together, depending on which one you're using, and that is your full magnification for that particular lens. And then there's the oil immersion lens, which is at 100 times, so giving you 1,500 times magnification total. That would be the biggest, the most magnification you can have. So in the slides that I observed, some of them were really easy to see very quickly, and others were very difficult to see. I couldn't see them under the very, very high power. Seemed that most of my slides I could see under medium power, so I'm not sure that was me. I needed practice, but there was one that I could do, the oil immersion I could do very, very well. And then we went on to prepare wet mounts, which was pretty easy. Little Q-tip in the cheek, and then rub that on the slide. Little distilled water on top of that, put the top on the slide, the top mount, and you have your wet mount slide. And I was able to look at that and actually find the cells in my mouth and my dental plaque fairly easily. So I did learn a lot about the microscope. I understand the reasoning for this very intense, long lab, so I can get extremely familiar with how this works. So big takeaway, I learned a lot today, and I think that's it. That was my video is about 3 minutes long, but this took me about 8 hours. So hopefully this is enough information for the results video for Lab 4, Microscopy for my Microbiology. Thank you. Have a good day. Bye-bye.